Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into an interesting problem that many of us may encounter when working with large databases. So, let's get right into it. The problem we're tackling involves a big table with around 30 million rows that usually runs quite fast, with requests taking only 5-6 milliseconds. However, every now and then, a request decides to take its sweet time, stretching out to a whopping 60 seconds. Quite the conundrum, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this puzzling scenario. One of the main reasons for this drastic slowdown could be the addition of a non-indexed field in your query. When you add a condition like and c equals 0 to your query, which is not indexed, the database has to work extra hard to filter out the results based on columns A and B first, and then check each row for the condition on column C. This can be a time-consuming process, especially when dealing with a large number of matching rows. There are a few key factors at play here that contribute to this slowdown. Firstly, the loss of index efficiency can lead to the database needing to perform a full table scan or row-by-row filtering, which can significantly increase query time. Additionally, changes in the query execution plan due to the non-indexed field and the use of file sort for ordering can further contribute to the prolonged execution time. So there you have it. By understanding why adding a non-indexed field can impact the performance of your query, you can take steps to optimize your database and queries for better efficiency. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Remember, even databases sometimes need a little extra love and attention. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.